Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Northbeam at 2026. So actually guys, you will need at first to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Northbeam account, okay? If not, you can go ahead and click on book a demo on the www.northbeam.io, okay? So once you click it, you will be forwarded into the registration or signing up page. Okay, so you all need to fill the blanks with your first name, last name, email, phone number, the company name, and also the company's websites or URL, and you will need to answer these questions and check mark this option, and then just go with book your demo, and that way you will create an account on Northbeam. Okay, after creating an account, you want you to go back to your Shopify and then just click on the settings that's located on the bottom of the left hand menu, and then just scroll a little bit and click on apps. Okay, so right now, I want you to go and click on Shopify App Store, the option with the black color that's located on the top right corner. And right now, I want you to select the search bar just like so and type right there Northbeam. So as you can see in my region, I can't really find the Northbeam app on the Shopify App Store. So on US and yen, the England region, you will be able to see it. And let's set an example and let's consider the triple wheel as Northbeam app. So you only just click on the Northbeam and then just go with install here. And after that, it will be, or you will be forwarded into a confirmation page. Then just re-click on install and it will be added, just like triple wheel, Hodger, etc. As you can see, it will be listed with these apps just right here or on the apps section. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.